Hey there, you may have seen our cardboard knife switch. Very simple little knife switch here. Uses cardboard maker tape. We've got an LED and a battery in there to show you how it works. It's a couple of brass fasteners that hold it all together. We've got a template that you can build this on your own at home. It's a nice little switch, but it's a nice little switch. Look at that. Now, we thought it was a nice little switch, but we also thought, let's supersize it. Look at that. We've got the extra large version of our knife switch. Same concept, same template. We just kind of blew it up a little. Look at that. We've got our LED and our battery. A little bit more maker tape on there. Still got our brass fasteners holding it all together. Pretty simple project if you've got some spare cardboard lying around, and I feel like I could direct a movie with this. And cut!